Hi guys, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can make money on Clickbank using YouTube for free. Yes, it is a totally free method and you even don't have to record any videos on your own. You don't have to show your face. And I know you must be thinking that I'll be telling you to download the videos using the Creative Commons license. No, I'm not going to tell you that. So please make sure to watch this video towards the end, as I don't want you to miss any of the steps. So very first thing is you need to log into your Clickbank account. You can create a Clickbank account for free. The good thing about Clickbank is you don't need any approval on most of the products to promote, so you don't have to spend any money in making any kind of registration. So as an example, I'm going to pick up the niche for parenting and families in Clickbank. So let's go to parenting and families. And these are all the products under parenting and families niche. So next, what you have to do, you need to sort the results by gravity. And then these are all the top selling products in parenting and families niche. Now, for example, we will pick up this particular product, Children Learning Reading. Amazing reading program parents love. So let's see what that is. My internet is a bit slow today. So this product is going to teach your child to read. So I believe they are going to provide us with an ebook as a product. So now we have chosen the product to promote. Now what we have to do, almost all the products on Clickbank, you will see an option for affiliate page. As you can see here, almost all the products have got affiliate page. So we will open this affiliate page. And this page will give us all the tools to promote this particular product. As you can see on the right hand side, there is a landing page. There are freebies and giveaways, product images and covers, ad banners, keywords for affiliates, demographics, email templates, articles. So there is a lot of stuff which you can use to promote this particular product. And now what we have to do, we will go in the YouTube and search for this particular niche, which is parenting. Basically, we will find out how the parenting videos are doing. So we can see the top videos here, 22,000 views, 281,000 views, 2.1 million views. So that shows parenting niche is one of the highest searches niche on YouTube. People are searching for these tips on parenting. Now the most important part regarding the video, you won't be recording a video of your own. So what you need to do, just go on a website called pexels.com. So once you are here on Pexels, just type parenting. And it will give you all the photos and the videos on parenting. So we will go in the video section. There are 5 videos for parenting. So these are all the videos which you can use for free without any copyright claim or anything of that sort. So now what you have to do, you need to download these videos, as well as you can download few of the pictures in parenting niche from here. And then what you have to do, you need to create a 3 to 4 minutes video using these pictures and the videos which you have downloaded from Pexels. Well, you must be asking, okay, Saurabh, yeah, we have downloaded the videos. Now what we have to do, once you have downloaded the videos on your computer, you can use any of the video editing software on your computer. If you're using Windows, there is a Windows Movie Maker. If you're using Mac, there is an iMovie which is free of cost. Basically, you need to align the videos and the photos which you have downloaded from Pexels and the content which you have to use. So now we will go back in the affiliate tools section and we will look for the articles, the email templates, what they are providing us. So these are the email swipes. So what you can do, basically you can use the subject lines from here, you can use the content from here and put that as a text in your video and create a story telling the people about this product. There are various articles as well which you can use in your videos. So you can just copy the content from here, you can add your own bits as well, and you have to create a video. So now once the video is created, you just need to upload it on YouTube, and you can use the keywords from here. Almost all the affiliate programs they provide the tools, and the tools they also contain the keywords. Here is the keyword file which you can download. These are the different keywords which you can use in your video title, in your tags. And once the video is uploaded on YouTube, you need to put your affiliate link in the description section, which you can get it from here. And so click on promote. You need to click on generate hop links, and you get this ugly looking link. Yes, as you can see, it's an ugly looking link. So what you can do, you can use a service like Bitly, and you can just shorten the link from there. So you can just go to Bitly, and it's all free. You don't have to buy anything for Bitly. Let me just log into my account here. So from here you can just paste your long link, and it will create a short Bitly link. This is the link which you need to copy and put it in the description of your YouTube video. So once your video is published, once the video is live, people gonna come to your video, they're gonna click on the link, and if they make a purchase using your link, you will get a commission. So guys, this is the easiest and the free way to make money from Clickbank. So I hope you found some value out of my video. And if you found some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know my #1 method to make money online, the recurring passive income online, just click on the link down below and check out the method. So guys, that is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.